Hello and welcome. Get comfortable sitting or lying down and take a few moments to shift around until you feel settled and comfortable. When you're ready, close your eyes and begin by bringing awareness to your breath. There's no need to change it. Just notice the natural rhythm of your breathing, exactly as it is. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling right now as we begin this practice. Now gently place your hands on your belly and begin to feel the movement of your breath beneath your hands. As you inhale, the belly rises, and as you exhale, the belly falls. Just feeling this gentle rise and fall. We're going to count the breath from 10 down to 1. If your mind wanders at any point, that's completely okay. Bring your attention back to your breath and continue counting. Let's begin. Inhale, 10. Exhale, 10. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 9. Inhale, 8. Exhale, 8. Continue breathing and counting on your own. If your mind wanders or you lose count, just notice that and come back to your breath, starting again from 10 and counting down. Continuing to count. If you get all the way down to number 1, just come back to 10 and continue counting. It's okay if you never get down to number 1. The point is simply to observe, not to reach number 1. And now let go of the counting and return to your natural breath. Notice your breathing now. Does it feel any different than when we first began? Notice how you feel. Is there any shift from when we first began? No need to change anything, simply observing any effects of your practice. And when you feel ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly bringing movement back into your body and blinking your eyes open. Take a moment just to gaze around the room before you step into this next part of your day. Notice how you feel and thank yourself for taking this time for your practice, for yourself, to come back to your breath and to be present with yourself. As you move throughout the rest of your day, carry this sense of presence with you. Thank you for practicing with me, and I wish you a magical day.